Hello, this is a product reveal. This is about the Philips Bright White high output, 100 watt equivalent. Yes, they've now come out with a Bright White for 100 watt equivalent of their ultra definition bulb. Like the previous ultra definition bulbs made available by Philips, it would appear this bulb is first to appear in Canada. I picked this up in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, and another one just like it. There is no information on the World Wide Web at all about these bulbs or any Philips 100 watt equivalent in bright white or 3000K. The only thing previously available in the ultra definition was the bright white here as a 13.5 watt of consumption, and it was only available in the daylight, which is a very stark white blue color, or the quite yellowish soft white, which is almost like a candlelight color. As you can see, the ultra definition is available as in the standard teardrop shape in other wattages as well, and it's not only frosted. You can find them in the clear, but I don't think you can find the 100 watt in the clear. I figured I'd post on YouTube something about this bulb, as it appears there's a few people somewhat interested in finding the Philips Ultra Definition in bright white as opposed to the other extreme ends of the spectrum. This bulb is only available as the A19 teardrop shape as opposed to the previous larger one that was available in both the A21 and A19. Notice the A21 here has an output of 1600 lumens, whereas the new A19 and previous A19s in this shape and this for this equivalency has only 1500 lumens. Previously, Philips' highest ultra definition bulb and still current leader in bright white is a PAR, which is parabolic aluminum reflector 38, which would fit in a recessed socket ceiling type of lighting. It's a very expensive and large bulb. As you can see, the A19 here, I've got one out of the box here. Let's try to see if I can get the print on the bulb to show up at all. It's not going to show up very well. I had a great deal of difficulty even trying to read it with some magnification. So you know what? Instead of just showing the bulb and try to show you the print on there, how about we take a look at my notes over here? If you don't particularly like the way this is presented in the video, I will also have this displayed in the description for the video. If you tap on the title, you will find it there, as well as most of the information about the Philips Ultra Definition light bulb that's printed on the box they are sold in. As you can see here, it's got the North American Standard medium base, the E26. I don't have there the color rendering index, which is very high for an LED light bulb of 95. And I've got some of the other information there. The model number, if I looked that up the day after I got the bulbs on 31st of August 2024, and there is absolutely no information on the whole World Wide Web about them. And I can't find a lot of information at Philips' website about what bulbs they do make and the color temperatures. So I'm going to post a video there so that at least there'll be a record of this light bulb. As you can see, we get down to the bottom of the page. There's the information that's printed on the bulb in gold. I tried to do a fairly decent representation of what's there, except for including the printing that's exactly as it appears in the French, which is only the suitable for wet locations, and possibly some of the standard information. Excuse me. So do tap on the description for this video and you'll see more information there. This bulb is listed as sort of listed in one place on the whole World Wide Web. Walmart Canada does list it as this size of bulb here, the A21, and 13.5 watts of consumption and 1600 lumens output. I don't know which you'll receive if you were to order them, whether you'll receive this size of bulb, the A21, or the slightly lower output one I received on the shelf. Presumably this bulb will appear shortly in other parts of the world besides Canada, notably the United States, and possibly, I think, maybe northern Japan might receive them as well. I don't know what their voltage is, but I think they use 60 hertz there as well, and various other places in the world that would use the 120 volt AC 60 hertz standard. So now there should be some information about this bulb on the World Wide Web when I get around to posting this later today. I do believe there are many people that are interested in a higher output bright white ultra definition bulb.